Welcome back to the ACR Learning Center. My name is Sam, and today we're covering the question, should you have your roofer meet your adjuster? The short answer is yes. Adjusters and roofers have different interests and areas of expertise. Your adjuster has to keep in mind both the interests of the homeowner as well as the insurance company, whereas your roofer is specifically interested in the needs of the homeowner. There are also some other advantages to having your roofer meet your adjuster. Number one is expert assessment. Roofers can point out damages that an adjuster might miss, which will ensure a comprehensive assessment. Number two is accurate estimates. Roofers can provide a realistic estimate for the repair of your roof, which can be beneficial in making sure the insurance estimate is fair and adequate. Number three, advocacy for the homeowner. The roofer can act as your advocate, detailing the full extent of damages and necessary repairs to your insurance company. Number four, clarification of the technical aspects. Your roofer can explain the technical details and the necessity of certain repairs, which might be crucial for claim approval. Number five, preventing disputes. Having both professionals present can minimize disputes in both the scope of damage and the cost of repair later in the process. In conclusion, having a roofing professional present during your adjuster visit can be very beneficial. It will help ensure that all damage is properly identified, costs are accurately estimated, and that your interests are well represented.